So I want to give you an update on our property. We actually got the corner lot here where my truck is sitting at, all the way to up in here. That's 140 feet by 60. Goes 60 feet from 3 foot from the road back 140 feet this way. So it used to be an old mobile gas station. And today our goal is to bring something new to the area, which is going to be a 24-hour vending machine business. But we're going to use this location. We're actually going to do some landscaping. We want to put a small dog park here, like a small gate here where people can actually come in with the bags and all that. That way when they walk in, they can actually come over here on the side, and then some benches on this side for people that want to chill after they go, and make this where people can still drive through. We're actually going to do some construction of this, get this down, and this is where we're going to put our sign at. We're going to put a nice sign here that is actually where you can be able to see it coming from this direction or that direction. So it's cool to see the location. As you see, we're right across the street from the McGee Hospital, the specialty clinic. We got pretty much people that do signs and graphics over there, you know, right downtown. We got McGee Auto Parts over here. There's a lot of different things on this corner. So we're downtown, pretty much on the main strip of McGee, Arkansas. And our goal is to live to be remembered, family. So we want to put a 20-foot shipping container conversion right here with vending machines to be open 24 hours. We want to be able to be self-sufficient and just have one person to actually come back and stock the unit. So that's the goal. We speak it into existence, but we already got it started. We already started. We are here, family. We are here. So in order to make things happen, family, you have to be able to stand on your own word. You got to go the extra mile yourself. And you're going to have to be able to think outside the box. I love to say your imagination is your limitation. I'm using my imagination. You see what it looks like right now, right? Now wait till after we do the landscaping and we get everything up. We have a vision. But, you know, in order to make it happen, you have to see it. So right now, I'm speaking into existence. Hog on vending machines, 24-hour units. The first one is going to be established in my hometown, McGee, Arkansas. And this is how I'm going to start living to be remembered, family. This is going to be a legacy for my kids to be able to have longevity as far as income, as far as a legacy to be able to pass down to take care of their kids and you know, future generations. So that's the goal, family.